Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 19th November 1889 at Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. His father's name was Motilal Nehru and mother's name was Swaroop Rani Nehru. Here is a small brief about his childhood. Nehru described his childhood as a sheltered and uneventful one. He grew up in an atmosphere of privilege at wealthy homes, including a palatial estate called the Ananda Bhavan. His father had him educated in home by private governors and tutors. Nehru became interested in science and theosophy, and he continued his education in Harrow School, England. Nehru's theosophical interest had induced him to the study of Buddhist and Hindu scriptures. These scriptures were Nehru's first introduction to the religious and cultural heritage of India, and that's all about childhood.
Nehru went to Trinity College, Cambridge in October 1907 and graduated with an honours degree in natural science in 1910. During this period, he studied economics, history, politics and literature with little interest. The writings of Bernard Shaw, H.G. Wells, John Maynard Keynes, Bertrand Russell, Lewis Dickinson and Meredith Townsend molded much of his political and economic thinking. After completing his degree in 1910, Nehru moved to London and studied law at the Inner Temple Inn.
Nehru became an ardent nationalist during his youth. The Second Boer War and the Russo-Japanese War intensified his feelings. After later he wrote, "The Japanese victories had stirred up my enthusiasm. Nationalistic ideas filled my mind. I mused of Indian freedom and Asiatic freedom from the thraldom of Europe." Later in 1905, when he had begun his institutional schooling at Harrow, a leading school in England, G.M. Trevelyan's Garibaldi books, which he had received as prize for academic merit, influenced him greatly. He viewed Garibaldi as a revolutionary hero. He wrote, "Visions of similar deeds in India came before of my gallant fight for Indian freedom and in my mind. India and Italy got strangely mixed together."
Hello, I'm Gayatri. Today, Haifa Mitra and me are going to tell story of Children's Day. So let's start. Children's Day is observed on 14th November every year in India. It is celebrated to observe and spread awareness of children's rights, education and care. 14th November is the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Nehru used to love children a lot. He said that children are the future of any country. Earlier, it was celebrated as Universal Children's Day in India as per the United Nations program.
The concept of Universal Children's Day was first given by an Indian diplomat, V.K. Krishna Menon. He is famous for his lifelong passion and work for the welfare, education and development of children. Later, his concept was approved and accepted by UNO worldwide. After the death of Nehru in 1964, it was unanimously decided to celebrate his birthday as Children's Day. Nehruji was popularly known as Chachaji by the kids as they loved him a lot. Jawaharlal Nehru was fond of red roses which always appeared on his jacket.
Nehruji was very concerned about the modern education of the youth, so he set up IITs and IIMs in India. On this day, all the educational institutes and offices in India organize various programs for kids. In India, on this day, schools conduct quizzes, fairs, various competitions for the students. Other nations also celebrate Children's Day on various dates. Turkey was the first country to celebrate it. This day reminds us to fulfill the aspiration, provide a safe and caring atmosphere to all kids. A good present will ensure a good future to the mankind. Provide a safe and secure upbringing to all the children. Hari Om, thank you. I wish you all a very happy Children's Day.
Hi, I'm Padmini, class 6th day. Today I'm going to tell a speech about Jawaharlal Nehru in Sanskrit. भारतवर्षे अनेके महापुरुषाः जाताः तेषु महापुरुषेषु श्री जवाहरलाल नेहरू महाभागस्य नाम को न जानाति सः स्वतन्त्रभारतस्य प्रथम प्रधानमन्त्री आसीत् अस्य जन्म इलाहाबाद नगरे आनंद भवन नामके गृहे नवंबर मासस्य 14 तारिकायां भवति अस्य अयं जन्मदिवसः एव अद्यापि बालदिवसरूपेण सर्वे भारतीयाः मानयन्ति अयं काश्मीर ब्राह्मणकुलोत्पन्नः आसीत् अस्य पितुः नाम श्री मोतीलाल नेहरू तथा मातुः नाम श्रीमती स्वरूपराणी आसीत् मातास्य अतीव शालीना धार्मिका च आसीत् पिता मोतीलाल महोदयः प्रयागस्थ प्रसिद्ध वकीलः आसीत् श्रीमती कमला अस्याः धर्मपत्नी इंदिरा चैका पुत्री आसीत् अस्य 15 वर्षपर्यन्त शिक्षणं गृहे अभवत् सः हिन्दी उर्दू आङ्ग्लभाषाः पठितवान् विदेशात् बैरिस्टर् इत्युपाधिं प्राप्य स्वदेशं भारतं प्रत्यागच्छत् अस्य सम्पूर्ण परिवार देशसेवा तत्परः आसीत् राष्ट्रसेवा अस्य परमो धर्मः आसीत् कांग्रेस् संस्थायां प्रविश्य देशस्य स्वतन्त्रतायै सङ्घर्षम् अकरोत् बहुवारं कारागृह यात्रामपि अकरोत् अयं महान् वक्ता महान् लेखकः अपि आसीत् धन्यवादः
Hi, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Pandit Nehru, first Prime Minister of India, who is also called as Chacha Nehru because of his love for children. We celebrate his birthday November 14 as Children's Day. He completed his studies abroad in Cambridge and Harrow University. He studied law and started his practice as a lawyer in Allahabad High Court. Even though he studied law, he was interested in politics. He joined hands with Mahatma Gandhi for freedom movement. He faced many challenges. He even went to jail several times. To conclude, Pandit Nehru was a great man who made many sacrifices for the